our next selection, we're going to offer you an original tune that tells a little something of the trials and tribulations connected with leading a dance band. If you like it, we wrote it. If you don't, we found it. I've got those, oh, what an easy job you've got. All you do is wave a stick blue. I've got those, what would you do if you had to work instead of singing a couple of songs blue? Isn't it funny? It always looks sunny on the other side of the street. Everything you do is tough, but the other guy's job is sweet. I've got those, get hot, kid, and smile if it hurts. You don't drink, you must be Nerds Blue. I've got those, you never sing our favorite number. Don't you ever play a rumba blues. You'll understand if my hair turns to gray and they have to take me away. I've got those, oh, what an easy job you've got. All you do is wave a stick blues. So you'll know what I'm driving at and won't think I'm a grouch. Spend an average day with me and learn why I say ouch. It's 10 o'clock and I'm in the office looking at some tunes.
Good morning, Mr. Nelson. Here's a call from Dr. Brooms. Your lawyer phoned your uncle sick, and here's some wires, too, and 57 letters, and 3 men who must see you.
Well, I can't attend to them right now. I'm as busy as can be. I've got to get a list of songs to send to NBC.
Good morning, Mr. Nelson. I'm with Provincial Life. Now, you need some more insurance, an endowment for your wife.
Well, I'm awful sorry, mister. I can't listen to you now.
Oh, but it's vitally important that you take some out. And how? Do you realize how many accidents we have every year?
Yes, and there'll be one more if you don't get out of here.
Say, Nelson, I'm a trumpeter. I want to work for you.
Well, I'm awful sorry, buddy. I've already got a few.
Why, the bums you got in your band?
Yeah.
They're plenty broken down. Just listen to what happens when I start to go to town.
Stop! I'm going crazy and I can't stand any more. Take that guy with the trumpet and throw him out the door. Say, listen, tell the folks who call I've gone to NBC. Phone the boys and tell them all that we rehearse at 3. Rehearsals call for 3 o'clock and 7 men are late. What kept you guys from being here? You knew we had this date.
My car broke down.
I overslept.
I missed the subway train. The wife was drunk.
I got the pip.
My cousin's here from Maine.
Well, let's rehearse the broadcast first. We've only got till 6, so play it straight the first time and then put in your tricks. Now, what's the matter? Saxophones, you're in a different key.
Hey, you can ball out all these stiffs, but don't give that to me.
Hey, hold the stiff.
Who are you?
I'd like to smack that mug.
You bunch of hair. You take that back.
Let me at that lug.
Now, just a moment, fellas. Remember, it's my band.
You keep your mouth out of this or we'll all walk off the stand.
You'll understand if my hair turns to gray and they have to take me away. I've got those, oh, what an easy job you got. All you do is wave a stick blue. Here's a bright, swingable version of Begin the Beguine. next selection, put on your old gray bonnet.
Put on your old gray bonnet with the blue ribbons on it, and we'll hit old out into the shade. Through the fields of clover we will drive to Dover on our golden wedding day. That was all right years ago when melody held sway, but let's present the good old tune in a really modern way.
Just a moment, just a moment. Do you realize what you're doing?
I know.
It's really sacrilegious to jazz up that old tune.
Come on, Ossie, don't be dead. Step up and join the crowd.
Eh?
Shake the dust from off your coat and sing the song out loud.
Oh, no, 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 not this song. It's an old sweet song. You got me, boys, you got me. I'm really slipping down. Step up those old pianos, and we really go to town. Put on that old gray bonnet with the blue ribbons on it. Each up top into the shed, through the fields of clover, drive to Dover. It's our golden wedding day.